morning students. Today we will discuss about number system, which is standard 6 chapter 1 topic. So in number system, some of the students they are saying, sir, you explain about the exercises. See, in exercise the questions are very easy, which you know already. So here I have written something which will help you to do the exercise. Okay, first we will discuss about writing numerals for the following question. Writing numerals for the following question. Okay, suppose one number is given. 10 crore 55 lakh 70,000 425. Okay. Suppose one question is given like this. So you know already about the Indian place value chart and international place value chart. So first you read the question. What is given there? 10 crore. See, in Indian place value chart there is a place which is crore here, 10 crore. So in crore place you cannot write both the two digit in this one box. So there are periods. See, crore and 10 crore, this will come in 1. So if you are writing 2 digit, you divide that number. Suppose 10 I am writing, so I am dividing that 1 and 0. So the total number will come here in one period. Okay. So here I have written 10 crore, then 55 lakh. 55 means in lakh there are two places. Here I am dividing it 5 and 5, 55 lakh. Then 70,000. So in 1000 period there are two places, 1000 and 10,000. So I am writing here 70,000. Okay, 425. 425. Like this you can write all the number which is written in words. Okay, that you can write in numbers. So that is your first question, writing numerals for the following question. Second question was writing numbers in words. Writing numbers in words. Okay, same question I am taking. Suppose I don't know this one. Same question I am taking. Suppose there are some numbers. That number I am writing here. 105570425. Okay. So according to the place value chart, you have to read the number. See, already I told there are some periods. Okay, this is one period, 1, 10, 100, it will comes in 1 period. 1000 and 10,000, this will come in 1000 period. Okay, 1000 period. Lakh and 10 lakh, that will come in lakh period. And crore and 10 crore, that will come in crore period. So like that you have to divide the number. See, first you enter this number in this box. So already I have written that one. So 5 is in 1's place, 2 is in 10's place, 4 is in 100 place. Okay, 0 is in 10,000 place, 1000 place, 7 is in 10,000 place, 5 is in lakh place, and another 5 is in 10 lakh place, and 0 is in crore place, and 1 is in 10 crore place. So first you enter this number, then you read it according to period wise you read. Okay, this 10, this both number will come in crore period, so you read it as 10 crore. Okay, then this 5 means 55. This both number will come in lakh period. So you read this both. Don't read 5. Okay, it is 55. 55 lakh. Then 7 and 0 that will come in 1000 period. So this is 70,000. Okay. Then 425. So like that you can answer that question. Okay. Then expanding number. Expanding number, already I have told in my previous classes that if you know this place value chart, you can easily expand the number. Okay. Suppose I am taking one example. Suppose one number is 54732. Okay. Now I will expand this number. This is a small number, like this, like that you can take a big number. Okay, same way you have to expand that. Okay, one number I have taken here, 54732. 54732. Okay. So now what I will do? I will enter this number in this place, will check. If you don't know, okay. Those who don't know, first they have to enter this number. Those who know, they can easily write this one. I will tell you two tricks how you will find the expanded form of this number. Okay. The first digit is 2 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 7 is in 100 place, 4 is in 1000 place, and 5 is in 10,000 place. Okay. Now I am expanding it. Now when I expand the number, I will go from the left side. Okay. From the left side. So first, from the left side, first digit is 5. 5 is in which place? 5 is in 10,000 place. So 5 into 10,000. 5 into 10,000 plus. Okay. 5 into 10,000. I am writing down. 5 into 10,000 plus. 4 is in which place? 4 is in 1000 place. So 4 into 1000 plus 7 is in 100 place. 7 into 100 plus 3 is in tens place. 3 into 10 plus 2 is in ones place. 2 into 1. 2 into 1. Okay. 2 into 1. Like that you can explain. Okay. Another way is, you see, suppose you are expanding this number. Another way I am writing here. This is one way. Another way, you write the first digit from the left side, 5. Then how many numbers left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers left means 40. Okay. Then another digit, second digit, 4 you write. Then after writing 4, how many digits left? Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 digit left means 3 zeros. Then write 7. After 7 there are 2 digits. So 2 0 you write. Then 3. After 3 there is 1 digit, so 1 0. And 2 you write. 2 after 2 writing 2. See, there is no number here. So you don't write anything, only you write 2. Okay. So this is another way to writing numbers in expanded form. Okay. So now writing short forms of number. Writing short forms of number. Suppose one number is given 8 lakh 70,000 5,000 plus 300 plus 2. Okay. So this is the expanded form of one number. We don't know the number. Now I am writing in this number in short form. See, when I write any number in short form, first I will take the number which is in ones place. So 2 is in ones place, so you write from right to left. Okay, I wrote here 2. So then after ones place there is tens place. Okay, tens place, but there is no digit, any digit here. Okay, I have not written. There is no digit in tens place. So that place you can write 0. If no digit is given, or if it is given like this, 0 plus 2, then you write that number. Okay, 0. Then 100 place. See, 100 place, here 3 is in 100 place, 1s, 10s, 100s, 100. 3 is in 100 place, so you write 3. Then 5 is in 1000 place, so I have written 5. Then 7 is in 10,000 place, so 7 I have written, and 8 is in lakh place. So I wrote that number 875302. Okay. If you want, you can check this number. See, after 8 there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. See, after 8 there are 5 zeros. Plus after 7 4 zeros. After 5 3 zeros. Then after 3 2 zeros. Then 2. Okay. Here tens place digit is not written. Okay, you can read that. So now, finding difference place value of numbers. Finding difference place value of number. One number I have written there, 7934291. See, if I am finding the difference place value of number, see here two nines are there. If I have to find out the difference of these two nine, first I have to find out the place value of this 2 9. Okay. So what is the place value of this first 9? What is the place value of this first 9? What I told, the easiest way, you have to see how many digits are there after this first 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digits, so 5 zeros. Okay. Then second 9 I am taking. After second 9, how many digits are there? Only 1. So after 9, 1 0. So the place value of first 9 is 9 lakh and the place value of second 9 is 90. So the question is difference place value, finding the difference place value of number. So finding the difference of place value of this number. Now difference means subtraction. So you subtract this number 2 number. Okay, you subtract this 2 number and find your answer. Already you know about subtraction. Okay. So this is all. Next question is finding difference between number that obtain on reversing its digit. Okay. One number is given. Suppose one number is 3, 4, 5. Okay. The number, okay, finding the difference between number and that obtain on reversing its digit. If we reverse this digit, okay, we will get 543. This number is 345. If we reverse this number, we will get 543. Okay. So now we got two numbers. And what is the question? Find the difference. Now we can find the difference of 543 and 345. Okay, like this you can get the answer. Then writing all numbers using digit. Writing all numbers using digit. Here one example I have written. 3 digits I have taken. 2, 3, 4. So how many numbers are there? In how many numbers we can find by using these 3 digits? See, if the question is like this, you take each digit. Suppose now I am taking 2. Writing 2 is in one's place. Okay, writing 2 is in one's place. Then both now 2 number I will get. You see how I am writing here. Writing 2 is in one's place. Now 2 will not change. I am writing 3, 4 here. 3 and 4. And the second number I am writing 2 is in one's place. So now 3, 4 I have written. So another number you can write 4, 3. So I got two numbers. Okay, like that you can take the second digit in one's place. Now I am writing 3 is in one's place. So it will not change. Okay, 3 is in one's place. This is 1 for ones. 3 is in one's place. So then 2 and 4 left. So 2, 4 you write 2, 4, 3. This is one number. And another number you write that 3 is in one's place. Then 2, 4 you have written. So you write 4 and 2. Okay. So you got this 2 number. Then again you take the third number. 4 is in one's place. Now 4 is in one's place. I am writing 2 and 3. Now I have taken 4 is in one's place. I wrote 2 and 3 back side. So again I am writing 4 is in one's place. Now 2, 3 I have written. Now 3 and 2. So I got 6 numbers. Okay, from this 3 digits. So like that you can find all the numbers by the using the given digits. Okay. So now I am taking another example to write number in international place value chart. Okay. Suppose the number is 9,175,325,425. Suppose the question is like this, it is written in words. Now I will write in figure, okay, by using international place value chart. See, first what is given? 9 billion. So in billion place there is billion, B. So under the billion place you write 9, okay, 9 billion. 175 million. See, 175 million. So in millions period, there are three places: million, 10 million, and 100 million. 175 million. So in million period, you have to divide this number 175. 175. So there are three boxes here. 175 million. So I have written like this. Okay. 175 million. Then 325,000. 300 in 1000 period there are three places. 1000 period there are three places. 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So 325,000. 325,000. So I am dividing that number in these three boxes. 325,000. 325,000. 425. 400. Now 4 is in 100 place. 425. 2 tens, 5 ones. Now I got the number. What is the number? 9,9,175,325,425. This is the required answer. So like that you can get all the numbers, okay, by using this International Place Value Chart. And if you have any doubt, you can contact in my number and I will make your doubt clear. Okay. Thank you.